Hello students, this is part 2 of the session subject and predicate. In the first part you have learned about subject and its kinds, and you have also learned about spotting the subjects in different kind of sentences. In this part you are going to learn predicate and its kinds. Predicates tell us more about the subject. Look at the examples given below. I love strawberries. Henry laughed his head off. Tornado has crossed the state border. In all these sentences, subject I, Henry, and the tornado are being described in the other part, which is known as the predicate. Now let's learn about kinds of predicate. A predicate can be a single verb. For example, mother cooks. A predicate can be a phrase containing a verb in some tense, person and number. Birds are flying. Students in our school are very disciplined. Third kind of predicate is when the verb is intransitive, the predicate can be a verb and its modifier. For example, Rita worked hard. The cake looks sumptuous. Fourth is when the verb is transitive, the predicate can be a verb and its object. For example, Rita is reading a journal. My sister wrote a letter. Next is when the verb is transitive with two objects. The predicate consists of verb and its objects, both direct and indirect object. For example, Rita gave keys to mother. Sita gave toffees to me. Here gave keys is the first object, or we can say the direct object, and mother is indirect object. Last is a predicate can be two or more verbs or verb phrase that may be joined by conjunction. For example, Sita played and watched cartoons all day. Look at the examples in all. You can see the bold part is the predicate, which is giving information of the subject. With this, I wrapped the topic of subject and predicate. In order to evaluate, I am giving you the exercise, which is also given in your book. Kindly do it on a sheet of paper or in any rough notebook. Thank you.